My name is Saikiranparupalli. I am from Bhadradri Kothagudem, Telangana. I completed my Bachelor of Computer Applications from Vivekavardhini Degree College, Kothagudem, and graduated in the year 2021. Even though I have a technical background, I faced a lot of struggles in finding a job because I didn't have the right mentor to guide me. One day I heard about the Evision through one of my friends who suggested it to me. That friend is now working in an IT environment by joining this Evision course, which inspired me to join as well. I enrolled in their course on March 10th. After joining the Evision, I got placed in the company Micropoint Computers Pvt Ltd under the client LTIMindtree. Even though they teach me very well from basic level technologies to advanced level technologies, the team helped me a lot in this journey for providing the job ready program. They teach how to troubleshoot problems, tackle in real time problems, and also how to survive in the IT environment. Thank you, Evision, for giving me this opportunity. This all could happens to you too if you join Evision. Thank you once again.